Are you saying this fandom is bad? Yo, I'm sorry! Like, I'm gassy, bro. Man, you stump with it, I'm gonna beat it on it.
What?
Ow! Oh my god. You just flung me. Was that you? Please, bro, I can't be seen with this, bro. Please, delete that. Delete it, please! Please delete it. Oh my god, Lord have mercy, please delete that. The mic is so loud. I'm sorry. I'll make it a bit quieter. This is better.
My son.
Whoa! He got a backwards Vinny all day.
Gay.
Hey, bro, I'm a girl. No, bro. You don't know how to power up the machine.
What is that?